alaikum ख़वातीन व हज़रात. My name is Yusra Rasool and you're watching Radio Lums. आज की एपिसोड काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, शायद थोड़ी सैड भी हो जाए, लेकिन उम्मीद है हमें भी मज़ा आएगा और आपको भी मज़ा आएगा. आज मैं बैठी हूँ रेडियो लम्स की एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल के साथ. हम चारों ने मिलके इस सोसाइटी को लीड किया है इन द लास्ट 1 year. Our team has been brilliant, so we don't like using the leadership word to say that we've been leading the team, लेकिन हमारी position और हमारा role ऐसा रहा है. तो we're going to sit down today, discuss our Lums life, discuss our radio life. वैसे थोड़ी सी informal बातें शातें होंगी, गपशप होगी, hot takes भी होंगी. So we hope you have a good time. And सबसे पहले we're going to start off by introducing ourselves. Do you want to go first?
Hello, my name is Zoha and I'm the president of Radio Lums for the next 4 days.
It's on me. Hello, my name is Dawad Ahmed. I'm currently the vice president marketing at Radio Lums. Just for like 4 days, we are announcing the new executive council and we are graduating soon. And I'm SDSB senior, graduating in like next 14 days, inshallah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. My name is Nawal Adeeb. I've been serving as the Vice President of Corporate Relations and soon to be alumni at Radio Lums.
My name is Yusra Rasool and I'm Vice President Content Management. तो ये podcast वगैरह सब हम ही handle करते हैं.
हम ही तो हैं.
हम ही तो हैं. नहीं, as in
सिर्फ
like
podcast नहीं, हर चीज़ हम करते हैं.
हम करते हैं. No, as in like we decide the topics and we decide कि हमने क्या करना है और execution तो फिर our brilliant VP जो है
Our
जो हैं
कौन?
our brilliant team.
Our brilliant team, yes, your brilliant team,
Yeah.
our brilliant team,
Yeah,
सबकी
सबकी
brilliant team. But yes,
Shout out PND.
अभी जिन्होंने edit करने हैं उन्हें भी थोड़ा credit देना चाहिए.
Shout out media. Amazing, crazy media, insane.
Insane media.
Indeed.
अच्छा, पहला मेरा सवाल I think that we're going to start off with is कि how did you get into Lums? Because मुझे पता है हम में से काफ़ी की कुछ exception के अलावा काफ़ी interesting stories हैं about how we ended up in Lums.
Can I go first?
हाँ.
Okay, so यार मेरी लम्स की कहानी was kind of very weird. I never wanted to do business. I'm currently doing management sciences, kind of a business degree. I never wanted to do business degree. I was kind of like a bright kid बचपन से पढ़ाई में बहुत ज़्यादा था तो I was supposed to be doing like engineering जो usually होता है. And my initial plans when I was in the college, my initial plan was कि मैंने NED जाना है या NUST में जाना है और मैंने mechanical engineering करनी है. People will ask why mechanical engineering because like उसका merit relatively उस वक्त सबसे high होता था तो it's like इसका अगर high तो मैंने यही करना. फिर suddenly in my first year of college I went to IBA for an event. It was a marketing event and उससे पहले I didn't know about IBA and then randomly I was just in a random team and हम वो event surprisingly जीत गए. I didn't expect कि हम third position पे आएंगे but we ended up winning one of the competitions. So at that moment I realized कि यार एक तो मेरा I am from a Maiman family तो वो kind of a business mindset होता है. उसके बाद फिर I came to IB and I just get to know about this field. उस वक्त मुझे organic chemistry बहुत तंग करी थी तो I just realized कि यार maybe this is my true calling towards marketing and business side. So then I decided to pursue business. Then at that time my only goal was to get into IBA. Then I started preparing for SATs and then I met a friend. उसने मुझे कहा कि यार Lums apply. My reaction was कि Lums क्या यार एक चर्चियों की यूनिवर्सिटी. It is. Then my reaction was Lums Party University. I didn't think Lums is like one of the best option you have in the country. But then I did some research. I came across Harisism का vlog. Shout out to Harisism, like one of my favorite content creator, GOAT. So I just came across his vlog and then I realized कि यार मैं नहीं जाना है कुछ भी हो जाए. And then I start pushing, I start preparing, I put a lot of efforts. My father was कि like आप चले आना. अम्मी ने कहा था कि बेटा आपने नहीं कहीं नहीं जाना, आपने तो यहीं पे रहना. Then I did SATs and I got my acceptance very early. मैंने IB apply भी नहीं किया था and I initially got into Lums. Then अम्मी ने कहा कि चलो बेटे ने इतनी मेहनत की तो चले ही जाओ. And I ended up here at Lums and unfortunately जिस मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे बताया था Lums का he's currently in the IBA, so that's how life works. So that's kind of a really weird interesting story of me getting into Lums.
अल्लाह की तरफ से है Lums आपके लिए.
Kind of. Radio Lums भी.
Yeah, sure. So for me, Lums as a university was honestly always the only option. I didn't apply anywhere else in Pakistan, anywhere else abroad. it was quite literally lums or nothing. I mean, I'm from the sort of family that we don't send our kids abroad in undergrad as it is. And then when it was my turn, my mother said to me, she said, देखो चलो अगर अप्लाई करना है तो अप्लाई कर दो, लेकिन भेजना तो नहीं है मैंने. तो इन दैट केस मैंने कहा कि ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन तो तब होगा जब अप्लाई कर दो, आ भी जाए और फिर जा भी ना सको. सो इन दैट केस आई डिसाइडेड जस्ट टू अप्लाई टू लम्स. मज़े की बात ये थी कि जब तक लम्स की एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं आई तब तक गैप ईयर काफ़ी इम्पीडिंग लग रहा था कि बहुत एक्चुअली व्हेन द एक्सेप्टेंस केम, द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ माई फैमिली हैज़ अ बिट ऑफ अ कर्स. And what I mean by that is, whenever anyone from my family ever applied to LUMS, उनकी acceptance नहीं आती थी. These people have gone off to Cornell, to LSE, mashallah. LUMS से acceptance नहीं आती.
कौन सा वाला LSE? Please clarify.
London वाला. But it wasn't LSE. It was Cornell. It was SOAS and so on.
ठीक है,
But
facts done.
sorry, but LUMS से कभी नहीं आई. LUMS से सब रिजेक्ट हुए. तो जब LUMS की एक्सेप्टेंस आई थी तो उन्होंने जश्न इस तरह मनाया जैसे कैम्ब्रिज की आई हो. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. आई वेंट टू माई नाना's प्लेस और वहाँ पर हमने टीवी के ऊपर एक्सेप्टेंस लगाई थी. एंड वहाँ पर लिटरली ऐसे था तो जैसे तूफान आ गया हो. सब खड़े हो गए, सब छलांगे मारना शुरू हो गए, सब चीखना शुरू हो गए. इट वाज सो हार्ट वार्मिंग. एंड एट द सेम टाइम मेरी खाला माई आनी, शी केम टू मी एंड शी सेड यू लिफ्टेड द लम्स. शुक्र है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. सो हमारी फैमिली में तो सिर्फ बस यही था कि अल्लाह का शुक्र है किसी का लम्स में हो गया है.
So my story is in two parts. मेरा पहला तो ये था that my entire life I was supposed to do computer science. मतलब मेरे सब रिश्तेदारों को पता है, मेरे अम्मी अब्बू को पता है कि I was very involved in tech. मुझे तब से एक छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, and you ask them कि what do you want to do? I was like computer science करना है. And very up until like my A levels I was like यही करना है. Then came the time जब applications खुली सब universities की, and I sat down to apply for computer science to different universities और personal statement लिखनी थी, college essays लिखने थे. And for so many days, like for a week straight, I sat down in front of my laptop and I just couldn't write anything. It was so much of just looking at the question कि अच्छा what interests you, why do you want to do this, और मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रही थी कि मैं क्या लिखूँ. And I was so shocked because I was like I've spent my entire life thinking about this और अब मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं ये कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ. So that's when I went up to my dad, and this was like a week before applications for all the universities closed. January में बंद होती हैं internationally भी और यहाँ locally भी. और मैं एक हफ़्ता पहले अपने अब्बू के पास गई हूँ and I was like I don't want to do CS. And he was like बेटा करना क्या है फिर? I was like I don't know, लेकिन मैंने CS नहीं करना है. He's like चलो take some time, think about what you want to do. कुछ ऐसा करो जिससे पैसे भी बना सको. He did take some names, कुछ डिग्रीज के जिनका मैं नाम नहीं ले सकती, but he was like ऐसा कुछ मत करना जिसमें पैसा ना हो. अभी भी मुझे कोई उम्मीद नहीं है कि मैं पैसा बना पाऊँगी, लेकिन he was like think about it. Then I started seeing कि अच्छा मेरा law में थोड़ा interest है, थोड़ा history में interest है, so I was like it makes sense if I just do law. अब मेरा ये भी था that I was applying abroad internationally and those were my first priorities. And LUMS was like last priority for me. और पाकिस्तान में LUMS was the only place I applied to. तो जब मैंने अप्लाई किया, मेरे अब्बू ने एक दिन मेरे से ये भी पूछा when I was waiting for my acceptances. He goes like, what's your plan? कि कहाँ से offer आएगी? तो where do you wanna go? और जब मैंने list किया था तो I listed the UK at the top, US somewhere in the middle, and I said LUMS at the bottom. And he laughed and he said really? Because उनकी list बिल्कुल opposite थी. He was like अगर तुम्हारे admissions हो जाते हैं मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम LUMS जाओ. And I was like no मैं तो कभी नहीं जा रही. मैं that's like the last option. कुछ ना हुआ तो फिर मैं LUMS जाऊँगी. Which was karma. Don't say anything like this. I think this is the biggest lesson I've learned from all of this. But anyways, I was also the last one from my friend group to get my LUMS acceptance. तो मेरे लिए वो भी था, मुझे लग रहा था कि रिजेक्शन हो जाएगी क्योंकि मुझे आज भी डेट याद है. It was June 30th when I got my acceptance because I was sitting in the car about to sit in the car to go to my puppo's house और मुझे फ़ोन पे email आई है and I lost it immediately because I was like शुक्र है आ गई है, ना आती तो शायद इज्जत हो जाती ख़ानदान में. But yeah, that's how my LUMS journey began.
My LUMS journey was pretty simple up until O levels. In fact, up until O2, In my mind, I was like, I will study medicine and I will join the army. And this was like a very childish.
Sir, respect.
It wasn't the respect thing, it was the sari. Like, let's be honest.
My
it was
mom
for
did it for the same reason.
Yeah, like मुझे बहुत मेरे दिमाग में clear एक idea था. I had imagined myself in the sari and everything. I was like, AM से जाऊँगी, civilian quota पे जाऊँगी, मैं जाके army join करूँगी. That was what was in my mind. And then after my O2 exams, I was reading a few books, and this very random book I read, which was actually a translation of an Italian novel, and I don't want to say the name because it was actually turns out it was actually not a very good novel in the way it was written and everything, but for a 16-year-old, it was like the epitome of literature, and the central character was a lawyer who by the end of the novel killed his wife and child, but let's not talk about that. That wasn't the point. It was his charismatic character that I really liked. And then I was like, oh, मैंने तो law पढ़ना है. And this also goes back to when I was like in grade 3 or 3rd or 4th grade. And back then भी मुझे ये होता था कि अच्छा नहीं मैंने law पढ़ना है. And then it was never something that like could materialize for me. It was just like a thought that I shared with my mom and with my family. But O3, I had very, very like clear idea in my mind कि मैंने law ही पढ़ना है. When I started A levels, I even took subjects related to law. By then, the idea had solidified in my mind. I hadn't decided on a university yet. That is something I did in my AS level. So I spoke to my law professor in BMI, and he told me कि अच्छा बाहर का law पढ़ के मसला होता है 3 साल आप पढ़ के आते हो वापस आके आपने practice करने में you'll have to give extra exams and everything. And he suggested study at a LUMS type university, or like study at a local Pakistani university and don't do the University of London degree. That was his advice for me. So मैंने A levels में law, sociology, economics, English literature type subjects लिए थे. And then A2 के अंदर when we started applying to universities, I did not apply anywhere, just like Nawal. I was forced to apply to 5 universities in the UK and go through that UCAS system because universities ने acceptances अपनी डालनी होती है, and for students इनका उनको पता होता है इनकी acceptances आ जाएंगी. So these big name schools do that, like Beacon House, and they did that, and they posted about my 5 acceptances, although like I just picked up the randomest colleges like Aberdeen and Sheffield.
What a girl.
Yeah. And then with LUMS, it was like I knew I would get in. Like I just knew. And मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरी family को पता था. Like our applications start in November or October, and then the deadline to submit online application was 30th December.
January.
February
30th,
था
no,
हमारे
so
लिए.
online अलग होती है,
नहीं,
and then
25th
the
January.
papers जो भेजने होते हैं वो अलग होती है.
No,
नहीं, अब
31
नहीं है.
अच्छा
Jan.
नहीं हम कोविड बेबीज है ना
हाँ,
हमारी
हाँ,
babies
ये
yes.
COVID
मैं हूँ
है.
COVID baby.
हम तो फिर भी
This is,
better
so I'm
हैं.
talking about 2019 December,
Achha,
like a
okay.
turning point in the world history. And that was also when on 12th December I submitted my application, LUMS-ki, and on I think the 13th of January or something like a month later I also sent my physical documents. And then COVID happened during that time. My A-levels life went like crazy downhill. कुछ नहीं था, ना farewell मिली, ना graduation मिली, documents भी नहीं उठाए university से जाके. आज तक मेरा equivalent certificate नहीं आया, and I'm about to graduate.
मेरे पास भी नहीं है.
किसी के पास
And,
नहीं
yeah,
है.
and I think I still have the screenshot and everything. On the 17th of April, I got my, it was from the very, very first round of applications, I got my acceptance. मेरा roll number भी बहुत शुरू का है because of that reason.
What's your roll number?
And my 007, 0014, sorry.
My roll number
0014.
is 11.
Oh,
मेरा
wow.
52 है.
मेरा 14.
मेरा बहुत
Simple graduate.
मेरा 200 में आता है.
अच्छा तो and when I told my family, it was like a matter of fact thing for them. It was like, हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ.
Like I told them about my internships, about my job applications, and they're like, हाँ ठीक है. मतलब like, why are you telling us as it's an achievement? Not that it's not an achievement for them, but for them it's like तुम तो कर लोगी. Like the andha confidence
yeah.
that my parents have in me, it's just absolutely वो. But again, मुझे पता था मैंने law ही पढ़ना है. मैंने second preference भी ME choose की थी. The statement I had, all of that was like clear on the fact कि मैंने करना है. And you know, this is something that I think as a student, a 19-year-old, it was actually very envious. And like अब मैं अपने आप में देखती हूँ तो I don't feel the same level of confidence and the same level of like sense of direction कि मैंने ये करना है and I'm gonna do it. But I stuck around for 5 years, so.
Yeah. I think personal growth की बात करते हैं because when I look at कभी-कभी मेरा जब phone का storage full हो जाता है ना तो I'm forced to go into my camera rolls एंड सी कि कौन सी पिक्चर्स डिलीट करनी है. फिर मैं बहुत पीछे चली जाती हूँ. और मेरे साथ ये कल रात भी हुआ. आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू माय फोटोज़ और मैं चली गई 2021 व्हिच वाज आवर फर्स्ट ईयर इन लम्स. और मुझे तब रियलाइज़ हुआ कि इवन लाइक फिजिकली अगर आप अपने आप को देखो ना, देयर इज सो मच ग्रोथ विद यू, लाइक 4 years 5 years यू नो राइट नाउ. और वैसे भी लाइक मेंटली यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ पर्सनल ग्रोथ एज वेल. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट आई थिंक व्हाट you've seen in yourself वो डिस्कस करते हैं.
ठीक है.
Sure.
Who wants to start?
Sure.
Jawad, you go.
I think I need some time to brainstorm,
Okay,
but
I can-
let me just start. Okay, okay. So if I see myself, even physically, mentally, it's a completely changed person. Like if you guys know me, like we have been known from 2-3 years, but even still not the same person. Like I was one of the kids who was very shy in front of camera. तो दूर की बात है. Like मेरे लिए तो 20 लोगों के सामने भी ऑडिटोरियम में जाके like it was always the hesitation and all that stuff. So right now sitting in front of a camera, still not very much confident, but if I see like I can like interact with किसी भी मुझे गैदरिंग में भेज दो, I can interact with people, I can network with a lot of people.
Mashallah.
So this is something that I can say it's a growth. And secondly, when I was in college, when I was in the college, तो
My
मेरी जो
God.
school life थी ना, I was always a topper. As every LUM student is.
Yeah.
Like हर बंदा टॉपर ही होता है, तभी तो यहाँ पे होता है.
अपने schools के
तो
toppers
like
हैं.
Humble हो जाते हैं
for
आके.
me, coming to LUMS and especially the first year was very humbling. Being
Yeah,
very
yeah,
honest,
yeah,
like आप जब देखते हो ना कि यार you are putting so much effort but still you are not getting a GPA and then you
Yeah.
realize जब आपकी ज़िंदगी में पहले C और B's आते ना तो then you were like यार
Agreed.
you पहले आप एक टाइम पे तो आपके लिए A नेग लेना भी बहुत बुरी बात होती थी. Now you are getting B's and C's, तो you have to adjust yourself with the time. But one of the best thing about that is कि like there's a lot of things one can explore outside of the academic journey.
Yeah.
And that is something that I can say is your personal growth के like मुझे नहीं पता था 4 साल पहले कि I get into media, I get into like design, I will get into like this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So अगर मैं ज़िंदगी भर अगर academics I feel like अगर मैं ज़िंदगी भर academics में stuck रहता तो probably मुझे मौका ना मिलता कि यार मैं इन चीज़ों पे भी गौर करता.
I think it's a very because लम्स आपको humble बहुत करता है,
Humble
लेकिन it
बहुत
also helps you grow a lot.
A lot,
मेरे लिए
like-
तो
Yeah.
बहुत वो एक अजीब सा वो रहा है, स्केल रहा है. क्योंकि जब मैं आई थी तो I was obviously COVID था, 2021 की बात है, तो उससे पहले COVID था. Staying at home, just eating. I was overweight. मतलब overweight तो नहीं, but like right now compared to right now I was 10 kilos overweight. तो उसके बाद you know then I realized कि अच्छा slowly जब आप in person आते हो then you have to realize कि अच्छा you have to work on yourself as well. फिर मुझे जैसे जोहा भी बात करी थी कि before like up until A levels मैं बहुत confident थी in myself in my abilities. I was like I can do everything in life and I was just वही वाली बात कि हर लम्स का बच्चा टॉपर होता है तो आप स्कूल में एक्सेल कर रहे हो, आपके जब आपको ऑब्वियसली एक्सेप्टेंसेस आ रही हैं हर जगह से, आप वैसे ही दिमाग आपका ख़राब हो जाता है. देन यू नो यूर डूइंग वेल, यूर इन ऑब्वियसली स्टूडेंट काउंसिल्स, ऐसी सारी चीज़ें आपको फिर वो बहुत उस तरह से यू फील लाइक यू अचीव्ड एवरीथिंग. एंड देन यू कम इन टू योर यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ. आई डोंट नो, आई वुडंट से इट्स ओनली अ लम्स थिंग, लेकिन जब आप अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ शुरू करते हो आपको पहला वो जो सेमेस्टर का GPA हिट करता है. बिकॉज आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई हैड सारे जो मेरा पहले सेमेस्टर के ग्रेड्स थे, आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड बी सेइंग दिस, बट दे वर ऑल इन द B कैटेगरी, लाइक B+, B. आई डोंट इवन थिंक आई हैड लाइक अ B नेग. लेकिन वो जो मेरा ये GPA पे हिट पड़ा था एंड इट वाज माय फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, आई वाज लाइक व्हाट, लाइक B's भी नहीं अलाउड है, लाइक यू नो यू कांट कॉम्प्रोमाइज हियर एट ऑल. तो दैट इज़ जस्ट वेरी शॉकिंग एंड इट्स वेरी हम्बलिंग बिकॉज आप O levels A levels में फिर भी आप लाइक अच्छा B आ रहा है, चलो सही है, गुजारा है. बट हियर यू हैव टू लर्न सो मच. आपको इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम भी हो जाता है. आप देखते हो आपकी क्लास में हर बच्चा इज़ जस्ट इट फील्स लाइक दे नो एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. आपको
Yeah.
लगता है कि आप ही सिर्फ ऐसे बच्चे हो जिसे नहीं पता है.
I would say my experience was like as Jawad was saying na कि you were you can talk to like a group of people but like networking easier. For me it's like has always been the opposite. I can speak to like a group of people. I'm really good at public speaking. मैंने MUNs किए हुए हैं, मैंने debates किए हुए हैं. It doesn't matter. But like building personal connections purely for the sake of you know like I have to get to know this person.
yeah.
Like I have to ask for a job. Like
Job.
that is absolutely like मेरे लिए दुनिया का मुश्किल तरीन काम है. And also generally भी कि I have a lot of friends and I like talk to a lot of people. But there is a point in my day where I'm like okay हो गई है social interaction हो गई है, now I just have to टर्न इट डाउन, मुझे घर जाना है, मुझे सुकून करना है. आई घोस्ट पीपल अ लॉट, टेक्स्ट के ऊपर मुझसे बात नहीं होती. सो माई फर्स्ट ईयर एट लम्स कोइंसाइडेड विद कोविड. सो आई स्टार्टेड इन 2020 और उससे पहले ही when we started it was 2024-2025 is one of the weirdest batches ever at LAMS. मतलब like let's be honest, it was because हमारी
Not
socialized
2025.
I meant law. I'm not counting the मेरे बाद वाला batch. I'm counting my batch. So हमारी socialization नहीं हुई जो LAMS के अंदर first year students की होती है when they're on campus. We never got to interact with people. We never got to interact with a lot of our instructors. So there were a few instructors जिनसे मैंने first year में courses लिए थे, जैसे अकीला ज़मान. She used to teach writing and communication at LAMS and she was one of the oldest professors at LAMS. I never interacted with her in person. So जो हम लोगों ने उनसे बातें की थी online, like that was a completely different timeline for us. A lot of us made friendships online, but for some of us जिनको texting से मसला होता है, जैसे like I ghost people a lot, like I was saying. मैं लोगों को notes दे देती थी, लोगों से बात नहीं करती थी. That was something जो मुझे like LAMS ने सिखाई है कि don't like help people, like आप help करके आप दोस्त नहीं बना सकते. That's not how friendships work. There have been cases where like freshman year के अंदर especially I would send my entire essay to someone because मैं तो मदद करनी है ना, मैं तो मदर टेरेसा हूँ apparently. I would send my essay and then obviously now that person has like a brick to start from and then उन्होंने उसके ऊपर build up करके better essay लिखना है. They get better marks than me and then I'll be crying to my mom and she'd be like मतलब you did this to yourself.
I think it's just ये हर किसी को पहले साल में तो ये बहुत hit करता है.
यार मुझे अभी तक नहीं hit किया पता है.
Really?
I really हाँ
आपका
मैं
direct
I
batch
don't
online ही था ना, you were
हाँ नहीं मैं वही
From
कह रही
day
हूँ.
one you were on
From day
campus.
one I think I'm the only
On
one
campus
here who day one से we were Sarah
because
physical.
your first year was 2021
2022.
fall.
No, 2022.
No, I'm talking about you and Yusra. So
21
that
fall
was
था,
like
yeah. Online था.
उसकी first two
Half.
classes I believe were online,
Yeah.
and then we came on
Yeah.
campus because I had
But
on
still
campus classes.
majority classes were online.
Online, yeah. I remember मेरी सिर्फ एक in person होता
Same.
It
है.
was also the
बाकी
worst
online
semester
होती
for
थी.
me.
Yeah.
Sophomore.
Honestly, लेकिन मेरे लिए I think every year is a learning year. Like जो networking वाली बात है ना, मैं बहुत अरसे तक I would avoid networking और मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत मेरे लिए एक disadvantage रहा है because especially when you are the first one to be doing something like this in your family, like law especially, तो आपको कोई navigate करने के लिए नहीं होता है. तो मेरे लिए भी यही था that no one really told me कि अच्छा networking हर कोई ये बोलता है कि networking बहुत important है लेकिन कोई आपको सिखाता नहीं है कि कैसे करनी है और उसकी importance actually है क्या. So I would be the very मैं लोगों से selfish हो के बात नहीं कर सकती कि अच्छा मुझे नौकरी चाहिए, internship चाहिए, but you realize at one point कि आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा ज़िंदगी में if you do not network, and it is a
network is your net worth.
it's a very heartbreaking and shattering वो realization, but once you
अभी तो
realize
मुझे नहीं हुई ना करो.
लेकिन हो जाएगा.
You still have 1 year left.
Give me some time.
I think by the end of by the
Job
like your
hunt
end
season
year,
जब
हाँ,
start होगा ना
आपको
तब.
realize हो
Yeah.
जाता है कि इसके बगैर गुजारा
जब
नहीं
आपकी इंटर्नशिप लगती है ना फिर आपको
हाँ,
रियलाइज होता है कि चलो
realize
जॉब
होता
के टाइम पे तो यू हैव टू डू
है.
नेटवर्किंग.
You have to.
नहीं,
It
I
doesn't
mean,
work like that.
शुरू
बहुत
से
मुश्किल है. लाइक ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि ऑब्वियसली जॉब एप्लीकेशंस खुलती हैं, आप करते हो. मे बी इट्स अ लिटिल डिफरेंट फॉर यू बिकॉज यू कम फ्रॉम अ डिग्री जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है, राइट?
I
लाइक
guess,
इन
yeah.
टर्म्स ऑफ देयर टू मेनी पीपल.
There are a lot
Like
of
you
people
you
indeed.
have like
Yeah, yeah,
200
yeah.
people in your
Yeah,
batch.
yeah, yeah.
हमारा थोड़ा I think
थोड़ा
law का different
competition
है.
कम
हाँ,
है.
competition कम है,
Not
but
for
it's
me because I have हमारा तो सबसे बड़ा batch है.
हाँ,
2025.
हाँ. But also like मैंने जो देखा है वो यही है कि जिसने नेटवर्किंग कर ली, जिसने जिस लॉयर के साथ वो कर लिया थोड़ा, तो they get an internship, they get like offers and stuff, they
But
work
ये भी है
on
ना कि you
papers.
guys have a clear path. The thing about our stream is that we don't have a clear
हाँ,
path to
everyone's
go
doing
ahead.
different
Everybody is
things.
doing
Yeah,
different
yeah,
things.
yeah.
You have no idea
I
where
think
you're going to
in
end
law
up.
like it's a very hiring process is very unstructured.
Yeah.
You don't
It
have
is,
like kind of an
yeah.
MQ programs. You don't have
Yeah,
to
no,
go through like
exactly.
4 or 5
You
rounds
could end up
digital
at-
interview.
You
game
could
in
end up
5.
at a think tank.
Yeah.
You could end up in the
Yeah,
government.
yeah.
You could end
Yeah.
up in corporate.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
absolutely no idea where you're
Yeah.
going to be ending up.
That's true, that's true. I think कुछ बात करते हैं about how radio मतलब वाई रेडियो, बिकॉज जब हम चारों ने जब ज्वाइन किया था तो रेडियो में मुश्किल से
कोई
आई
भी नहीं
थिंक
था.
30 लोग होते होंगे.
Yeah.
जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया 10 लोग
20.
थे.
20.
एग्जैक्टली
Yeah.
या लाइक और मेरे टाइम पे तो आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर लाइक पीपल शोइंग अप टू मीटिंग्स और ये सब
टोटल 7 लोग 8 लोग होते थे हमारे GVM
एंड नाउ वी आर व्हाट लाइक 80 90
माशाल्लाह
80 90 माशाल्लाह टच वुड
93.
या 93. सो इट्स गुड लाइक वो सो 4 सालों में इतना वो इनसेन बल्कि एक्चुअली 2 फॉर मी 2 सालों में, क्योंकि मैंने तो सॉफ्टवेयर सेकंड ईयर में ज्वाइन किया था रेडियो.
That's
Yeah.
a freshman से
3.5 year
Yep.
for me.
Yeah.
So
Same,
like
3.5
चलो 3.5
years.
में मतलब it's
Okay,
from
almost half 4.
10 to 19
आप
We
लोग
have
के
like
तो
kind of
4 हो
same.
गए हैं।
हाँ.
3.5 like.
अगर मेरे 3
Join.
हुए तो आप लोग के 4
No,
हुए।
मैंने जनवरी में ज्वाइन किया था.
Spring-
अच्छा,
spring
so
vibes,
basically what happened, जो हम लोगों की same story होगी. So the applications came out in August, like September August के अंदर जिस तरह orientation
ओ
के
उस
बाद
साल स्प्रिंग
होती है ना.
इंडक्शंस भी हुई थी।
No, no.
No.
They did not reply to the emails. Like उन्होंने acceptances मतलब उन्होंने दे दी हैं. Like आपको applications fill हो गई हैं. They never reached out. And nobody reached out from
I think I
Radio
saw these messages
So
in
this
Radio Lums
was-
के Instagram क्योंकि मैं एक दफा बहुत
You
नीचे गई
probably
थी
did.
बिल्कुल एंड पे
Yeah.
and people were asking कि applications कब
Yeah,
होंगी
this was fall
और-
2021.
Yeah.
हमने application submit करा ली है for like an entire semester. We don't hear anything.
नहीं,
And then
मेरा
January
different
के अंदर अच्छा नहीं then January के अंदर we get a call from so Hajra Imran was the president and Cass was the VP. उस time हमें calls आती हैं कि interviews दें आके. And then I had applied for RJ. So they asked us for a sample and everything. And then our interview, I remember my interview was online. And then that's how I started. So this was my sophomore year. That's when I joined Radio Lums.
Okay.
I think
So-
for me it was like मैंने अपने freshman year में I didn't apply to any of the smaller societies. I just applied to 2-3 big ones. चौड़े में आते हैं, हर कोई चौड़े में आता है. I applied to 2-3 big ones and got rejected. This is something that I have a regret that I don't have like really good guidance in my initial year. The OV coach, maybe I use shout out to my OV coach, but like उस वक्त I think it was because के वो 1.5 साल का gap था in terms of के वो खुद एक दफ़ा campus पे आए हुए थे 1.5 साल बाद तो they were not able to guide you like really well. तो उस वजह से मुझे उस वक्त पता ही नहीं था कि स्टडीज़ में अप्लाई करना. तो in my second semester I was taking this course DIS 112 and मेरे पीछे ही ना एक a boy used to sit like South was his name and he was a sophomore at that time. So I was just having a hi hello South. Yeah. So I was just having a hi hello with him के मैंने उससे पूछा था उस ज़माने में आप क्या ही पूछते थे आपका मेजर क्या है आप क्लास की है आप कौन सी सोसाइटीज़ में. तो उसने मुझे कहा कि मैं रेडियो लम्स. मैंने कहा व्हाट इज़ रेडियो लम्स, व्हाट डिड यू डू. उसने कहा था कि वी मेड पॉडकास्ट दैट साउंड समथिंग रियली फन टू मी. तो उसने मुझे बताया कि वी हैड अ स्टूडियो. मैंने कहा दैट साउंड इंटरेस्टिंग. उस ज़माने में हर सोसाइटी में HR में अप्लाई करता था. लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट मैं HR में अप्लाई करता था हर जगह. तो पता नहीं क्यों. तो इवेंचुअली उसके 2 दिन बाद OSA अनाउंसमेंट की मेल आई कि रेडियो लम्स हैज़ एप्लीकेशन ओपन फॉर HR टीम मेंबर्स. आई अप्लाइड, आई गॉट इन विदाउट एन इंटरव्यू.
I had an interview.
Our current team members wish they were
Yeah.
you. Our current team members wish they were you.
So honestly, that year society was like बनी थी. It was nothing. Like I joined the department. उस ज़माने में like जो मेरे से ऊपर थी like Sama was there in the department. I think Hajra was at that time was Vogelsal president बनी थी but at that time Hajra was I think director HR executive or something. So वो मेरी director I think hierarchy में होती थी. Cass was also in the department and उन्होंने मुझे department group में डाल दिया. उन्होंने मुझे ना GB group में नहीं डाला था and they just planned a literally GBM और मुझे बुलाया नहीं उसमें. तो they were discussing कि GBM went really well in the group and I was like guys आज GBM थी. तो they were like sorry
Was
Jawad.
it the one where Broadway?
Yeah, there was a Broadway pizza.
Yeah, so the
So-
EC gave us Broadway
Yeah.
pizzas, but we were 15.
Okay, so I was like अच्छा ठीक है और ये ऐसे ही चलेगा यहाँ पे. But वो year it was like kind of a very mid year. Then next year in my sophomore year we नई टीम आई, नए लोग आए. लिटरली समर में हायरिंग हो गई. मेरे कुछ करीबी दोस्त भी आ गए. लिटरली मुझे पता ही नहीं था रैंडमली सोसाइटीज़ में आ गए. बहुत नए चेहरे आ गए. एंड एट दैट टाइम माई डायरेक्टर वॉज समा एंड आई वॉज नॉट एन AD. आई वॉज नॉट अ डायरेक्टर एंड आई वॉज नॉट अ मेंबर. लाइक मेरे पास पावर मेंबर से ज़्यादा थी बट डायरेक्टर जितनी नहीं थी. तो आई वाज समवेयर इन बिटवीन द मिडल.
आप 80 थे ना?
Yeah. No,
No,
it's
but
kind of
because-
not an official position.
Yeah.
Kind of
Okay,
an unofficial
उस वक्त
AD.
AD नहीं था?
उस वक्त कुछ भी नहीं था. मतलब ना मेरा कुछ उस वक्त इंटरव्यू हुआ
Actually,
था.
उस time
Society
I
में
was
कितनी
fair. I
hierarchy
was
है.
content,
Yeah.
but उस time sub editor था. But at the same time, because the sub editor wasn't very involved, तो मेरा भी same यही था कि I was like an unofficial sub
Yeah.
editor.
So
Above the
always
RJs, but
had that unofficial position.
उस
cursed
वक्त
position was the
उस
sub
वक्त
editor.
I remember the whole year it was just me and Sama carrying the whole department. हम लोग
यार ये तो ना
हम लोग
कहो।
GBM कराते थे. एक
यार,
कभी
ये
कभी
तो
किसी
ना
मीटिंग में आ जाते थे. नवाल आ जाती थी. I remember 1-2 और लोग थे. Dua Barber they used to come like rarely. Nawal was part of the music team not actively was not part of the HR. at
I
that
was
time.
so active in
तो
HR. Come
so
on.
we वो वाला साल तो like हम दो ही होते थे, पूरा डिपार्टमेंट चला रहे होते थे, and वो भी साल like kind of very mid for Radio Lums. In terms of content, it went really good because we produced a lot of
Yeah.
content. Our podcast went viral. So at that time I realized that the society is getting a lot of attraction. A lot of my friends in the junior used to ask me कि भाई तू क्या कर रहा है, क्यों इतनी मेहनत कर रहा है society के पीछे, कुछ नहीं होना इसमें, छोड़ दे. तो इन माई जूनियर ईयर मेरा इंटरव्यू था फॉर द HR डायरेक्टर. तो मैं इंटरव्यू देने गया, तो Sama was in the EC, Cass was in the EC. तो Cass was the president, Sama was the VP, and then other people. So they were like, जवाद आपको तो हमने वैसे ही प्रमोट करना है, आपको तो हमने गलती से इंटरव्यू स्लॉट भेज दिया था because you were the only one who is showing up. तो I was like, ठीक है, thank you so much for promoting me.
Yeah.
And then junior was the kind of a time when I got a lot of autonomy,
Yeah.
got a lot of power. I got a really good department under me. I got a
Power.
really good
Very man.
AD. I got really good TMs. That group of mine, OG HR, I huge shout out to OG HR. And वो वाला time था then we start rebuilding the
Oh,
society.
genuinely, I do have an opinion about this.
Yeah.
I believe that HR department redid Radio Lum's social
Yeah, kind
environment.
of. Yeah,
Like,
kind of like
वो ना होता ना.
we were doing good in terms of content. The
Yes.
only thing was missing the
Our
community.
presence, yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
So
और वो जो HR डिपार्टमेंट थी उनमें से एक बंदा नहीं था जो काम नहीं करता
Yeah.
था. There was literally there were like
दो
6 or
तीन थे
7.
जिनको हमने निकाल दिया था.
वो तो
Yeah,
वैसे ही निकल गए थे
outliers
ना,
होते
वो
हैं.
तो निकल
Yeah,
गए थे
निकल
शुरू
गए
में
थे,
ही. But everybody who was left, the 7-8 people, there was not a single person who didn't put their all
Yeah,
into it.
yeah,
मतलब पहली जो उनकी स्कैवेंजर हंट जो उन्होंने कराई थी,
True, yeah.
जो हमने कभी भी नहीं की थी, और उन्होंने फेयरवेल जो कराई
Farewell जो कराई
थी,
थी.
मतलब हमने कोई नहीं
हमने-
उनका
हाँ,
हाथ
farewell में I
नहीं पकड़ा
remember
हुआ
हमने
था.
कुछ भी नहीं किया था,
हमने
and they
literally
did
कुछ नहीं
plan
किया था, हमने उनका कोई हाथ नहीं पकड़ा, नो हैंड होल्डिंग, नो
last-
स्पून
last
फीडिंग.
Last farewell.
Last year वाली
Last year was
farewell.
actually
And they
then,
did
हाँ.
so
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
And honestly, I believe that it had a lot to do with the people that we selected and how
Yeah,
they would
they
work
were like-
together
उनकी
with
काफी
each
अच्छी
other.
bonding हो गई थी
बहुत
and
अच्छी
stuff.
बॉन्डिंग, कुछ ज्यादा ही अच्छी
बहुत
बॉन्डिंग
ज़्यादा
हो
अच्छी
गई
bonding
थी.
हुई थी कि अगर उन्होंने प्लान डिच कराना होता था ना, वो पहले से
सब
मिलके डिच कराते
मिलके
थे.
ditch कराते
तो हम
थे.
कहते थे कि हमने कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छी बॉन्डिंग करा दी है.
So I got into radio in my sophomore year again as an RJ.
Yeah.
Or sorry, no, I got in as a creative producer actually. But उसको उस time content writer कहते होते थे. And then उससे next year the positions changed. So for 6 months I was an creative writer. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट ईयर जूनियर ईयर के स्टार्ट में आई बिकेम एन RJ एंड मैंने अपने पहले 6 महीने आई डिसाइडेड टू डू द हार्डेस्ट show ever, which was Dastane Rikhta, and it was very hard to research for because आपको you can't find anything online. You can't just like go on ChatGPT and ask it to write a script in Urdu because उसको उर्दू नहीं लिखनी आती है first of all, and secondly क्योंकि online resources available हैं ही नहीं उर्दू की, so I had to go to the library, sit down and do actual proper research like the old times. So I was bent over books and everything, and I was getting accused of being a snake because मेरे friends को लग रहा था मैं library में छुप छुप के पढ़ती हूँ when I was working for radio. But for the first 6 months I could not produce an episode because I was just like doing too much research और मुझे पता नहीं लग रहा था मैं 6000 साल की हिस्ट्री को एक 40 मिनट के एपिसोड के अंदर कैसे वो कर दूँ, like summarize कर
Condense,
दूँ,
yeah.
yeah, condense कर दूँ. So but anyways I managed to produce like 3 episodes for that, but then I got bored. और फिर also that was the year जब हम लोग हमारा so the year before that radio had focused on dumping out content. My junior year we were no longer dumping out content, we were focusing on the quality of the content. So उस time के अंदर you will see a lot of shows like Anime Hurdle coming out and shows like Lum's Report being like every single month there is an episode coming out from Lum's Report. Providence, yes. और इसके अलावा जो CSS वाली एपिसोड देखी होगी आपने, फंकार का पाकिस्तान was the one that उस time shot up. So we were again focusing on the quality of the content. Hewan and Natik was also produced during that time. These were only जो उर्दू shows थे, they were on audio only. And then towards the end of that year we started focusing on interview style podcasts. तो फिर Providence वाला जो हमने structure था उसको लेके गए थे, but we made it broader and people were doing, so RJs were invited to do one-off episodes. I believe Yusra, you also did an episode this time. I did one, and then towards the end of that year we did Shadi Day. Or so I remember in the group there was discussion and I was asked, I was the RJ उस time, अब कोई और RJ available नहीं था, and I was asked हमने शादी डे की episode करनी है, and honestly I did not care that much about Lum's life back then. I was like नहीं मैंने नहीं करनी. So Sama then stepped up and she did the episode and it went absolutely viral. We were getting comments from India and everything. And then next year I applied for chief editor की position and I got it, and then I did not have a department. So there was an issue that happened with the lovely HR
हमको ना देखो,
So the emails
हमारा
were,
issue
so
नहीं था
they
ये.
did not they sent email to the wrong Alina. They did not send emails to the people we selected. Yeah, so there was a communication issue. Sama sent the wrong list to you guys.
Okay,
And
तो
then we
देखो.
corrected the Aisha and I corrected the list. और पता नहीं कौन से बच्चे रखे गए थे जो you can tell from the department जो बच्चे. There was no department and I basically borrowed like kids from English department ताकि वो उर्दू का भी काम कर लें या फिर towards the end of that year हमें English और उर्दू की divide completely खत्म करनी पड़ी थी. And I was actually working on English shows as well, like Cat News Network and etc. And then towards the end of that year मुझे 2-3 लोगों ने बहुत force किया to apply for president. I didn't want to, but I did. Or the reasons why I didn't want to, I think we can discuss in a separate question, but mainly because of my being an extreme introvert. जब हमारी फेयरवेल हो रही थी लास्ट ईयर एंड सारी ईसी अनाउंस हो गई थी एंड एवरीथिंग, देयर वाज अ मोमेंट वेयर आई वाज सिटिंग क्वाइटली एंड आई रियलाइज्ड आई कैन नॉट डू दिस. लाइक मुझे सोशल इंटरेक्शन बिल्कुल नहीं होती. देयर वाज अ टाइम लाइक एंड यू कैन सी इट इन पिक्चर्स एज वेल वेयर आई स्टॉप्ड स्माइलिंग एंटायरली बिकॉज आई लॉस्ट द
हमारी इसी पिक्चर में भी ज़ोहा बस ऐसे कर
I
रही
had lost the ability
No
to smile. There
expression.
were too many lights. There were too many people. I was sweating. It was like a sensory nightmare for me. और मुझे था कि how will I do this for an entire year? How will I interact with people? मतलब मुझे आदत है 2 लोगों से बात करके खामोशी से साइड पे बैठने की. I don't talk. I don't do this. Like तो खैर it was a challenge for me the entire year. But I applied for president और जब मुझे कैश की कॉल आई है for a second I couldn't believe कि अच्छा. And then I was like, हाँ, obviously, like, duh.
वो अंदर का आपका.
That was my radio journey. So.
आई थिंक हम सबके लिए वो एक यू नो अगेन आई थिंक यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सपीरियंस और यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ प्लस जॉइनिंग सोसाइटीज इज़ अ वेरी वो ग्रोथ सेंट्रिक situation. जैसे for you, I think last year you were a very big introvert because I worked
Yeah.
very closely with you in the content department. But to see you now is just like completely different. The way you
True.
handle everything. And I think we needed a president that was calm and composed like you.
True that.
क्योंकि जितने हमारे ऊपर क्राइसिस आए हैं ना, अगर मेरे जैसा कोई बंदा होता तो 6 लोगों में तो सर अभी तक फट चुका होता.
Insane media crisis,
या
insane
मैं
PND
MIT चली
crisis.
चली गई
Insane
होती. that's
department.
it.
I would say कि the easiest thing to do is to lash out. I think
Yeah.
like इंसान के लिए like, अपने आप को
Yeah.
control करना
Yeah.
is actually the hardest thing to
Hardest
do.
thing to
And
do.
I know that people too tell me कि I'm a very calm person, but
Yeah.
my family has a completely different view of me. But like ये calmness बहुत ज़्यादा बर्दाश्त के साथ आती है.
बर्दाश्त
You know,
के
like
साथ आती है,
just like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
पहले आप absorb करो किसी चीज़ को, उसके बाद you react.
Yeah. No, I think but it's very important because in the moment आप अपनी authority गुस्सा निकाल के दिखा सकते हो, but then you don't realize कि it's affecting your entire वो people like members under you in such a way कि वो आपसे डरेंगे, वो excited नहीं होंगे काम करने के लिए. And I think ये learning factors होते हैं when you work in a society, right? These are the things that are going to help you. अगर हम सिर्फ अपने academics पे focus करते तो we would never be able to learn these things. I personally learned
True
a
that.
lot from radio. लेकिन मेरी रेडियो की जर्नी कुछ इस तरह थी that I found out when I was in my sophomore year I was applying to societies. तो मुझे obviously law and politics में करना था because I'm a law major. फिर मैंने कुछ और 2-3 बड़ी societies में किया, but I saw radio alarms when I was looking at कि कौन सी societies है, so I saw radio alarms. और मेरा एक अंदर का वो अजीब सा है कि मैंने बचपन में हर कोई 6 महीने बाद ना मेरा वो चेंज होता था कि मैंने क्या करियर करना है. तो at one point I also wanted to be a journalist. तो वो मेरे अंदर का जर्नलिस्ट जाग गया था when I saw कि Alums has like a society called Radio Alums. So I was like I want to do this. तो I applied और तब बहुत छोटी होती थी and I got in. I remember Kest, who was our president before Zoha, he took my interview. तब he wasn't a president, he was पता नहीं
उर्दू
हाँ,
RJ.
कुछ ऐसी हो
He was
गई
VP.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
तो ही टुक माई इंटरव्यू, तब भी ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू था. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट. तो वो हुआ. देन आई जॉइंड एज इंग्लिश टीम मेंबर. दैट वाज माय डेजिग्नेटेड थिंग. लेकिन हमने कोई तब काम नहीं किया ज़्यादा. फिर एक दिन ऐसे हुआ कि ग्रुप में मैसेज आता है कि वी नीड टू रिकॉर्ड वी नीड टू डू अ रिकॉर्डिंग. तो इज़ anyone available? And I messaged Ibrahim को. मैंने मैसेज किया. I was like hello, I'm free. तो he was like okay, like you know ये वाली है RJ की. तब मेरे पास like RJ की पोजीशन उस तरह से डेजिग्नेटेड नहीं थी कि आप RJ हो या वो क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर हो. तो आई वाज लाइक श्योर सही है. अब इट वाज माय फर्स्ट एवर रिकॉर्डिंग. मैं पहली दफ़ा रेडियो रूम में आ रही हूँ. मुझे पता भी नहीं था रेडियो रूम है कहाँ. लाइक आई हैव नेवर सीन इट बिफोर. मुझे बस इब्राहिम का मैसेज आता है कि SSC बेसमेंट. मैं यहाँ पे कोई 10 मिनट फिर रही हूँ, ढूंढ रही हूँ किधर है ये कमरा. तो देन अच्छा व्हेन आई केम हियर देयर वाज लिटरली नो वन. हमारी कोलैबोरेशन थी विद फ्रैंकलिन कवी. तो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एवर रिकॉर्डिंग. अब वो हुई है, आई वाज द होस्ट और गेस्ट आया हुआ है, एंड इट्स एन एक्सटर्नल गेस्ट. शी इज़ लाइक एन ओलंपिक स्विमर और समथिंग लाइक दैट फॉर पाकिस्तान. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द इंटरव्यू और हमारी मीडिया टीम की मेंबर भी नहीं है. इट्स द फ्रैंकलिन कवी की तरफ से कोई वो हैं जो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं. सो मेरी किसी के साथ वो नहीं हुई है, कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, एंड आई जस्ट डू इट. एंड अपेरेंटली लाइक केस वगैरह आई गेस लाइक्ड इट. आई डोंट नो दैट आई डिड द सेकंड एपिसोड. फिर उसके बाद दे रीच्ड आउट अगेन एंड दे वर लाइक डू यू वांट टू डू द यूनिलीवर एपिसोड, व्हिच टर्न्ड आउट वेल. बट आई थिंक द रीज़न आई स्टेड वाज बिकॉज ऑफ द community and the people that are here. मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा factor was just the amount of welcoming and motivating environment that this society created. तो the way Kes pushed me to do more. I remember जब मैंने Unilever वाली episode की थी, now that I go back and look at it, it's so bad. Literally, I never want anyone to see it. लेकिन जब मैंने की थी, मुझे याद है वो कितना उस तरह से he was like so वो अब you know telling me कि you did such a great job, it was so amazing, you're so well at what you do. And I was like, okay, like you know this is nice. This is how a society should be. Plus मेरा तब वैसे भी थोड़ा conflict चल रहा था elsewhere in terms of societies. तो I realized कि okay, this is the place. तो I think मैंने एक वो threshold भी बना लिया था where I was like, if no society is like Radio Lums, if the environment isn't like Radio Lums, I'm not staying. And that's what happened कि I ended up leaving everywhere else that I was और फिर मेरा सारा focus Radio Lums पे हो गया था. So then last year I applied for VP content because it made sense and I was still very passionate about being an RJ and just leading the team. So that happened and now we're sitting here. That's pretty much it.
For me, interestingly enough, if I'm being very, very honest, I've been trying to think for the last 10 minutes about how I got into Radio Lums. And I swear to you, for the life of me, I don't remember. I don't know if it was a walk-in interview. I don't remember if it was an online interview. I don't even remember if there was an interview. Because all I remember, because it was my freshman year, and हमारा तो सारा physical in-person था सब कुछ. तो O week was so stressful. उसके बाद, I'm a very social person. So I think I sort of exhausted myself in terms of socializing with everybody in freshman year. I don't think किसी को मैंने छोड़ा था freshman year के अंदर. And उसके साथ साथ when joining societies, I remember I was standing at the Khoka and people were talking about societies. I was overhearing somebody and somebody said कि लम्स कंसल्टेंसी ग्रुप बहुत मुश्किल है और उसके अंदर बिल्कुल कोई नहीं घुस पाता और ये है और वो है. तो दैट पीक माई इंटरेस्ट बिकॉज मुश्किल चीज़ें मुझे बहुत पसंद है करना. तो आई डिडंट नो व्हाट LCG was. Honestly, I didn't even know what it stood for. But I applied to it. So in my freshman year, I was in both LCG and Radio Lums. And Radio Lums को की GBMs होती थी और वहाँ पे 10 लोग होते थे और हमारी पिकनिक्स होती थी और वहाँ पर 12 लोग होते थे.
5 लोग होते थे.
And so this side of Radio Lums, उस वक्त हमारे HR department भी as such कुछ था नहीं. And I was in HR. And so there was not a lot to do. And because there was not a lot to do, तो LCG का काम बस आ ही जाता था. And at some point, me and Cass had a conversation about this because he had some reservations about LCG. He was a part of it the year before. And so he helped me out and he told me कि अच्छा इस तरह आपने ये लिखना होता है, इस तरह आपने वो लिखना होता है, slide shows ऐसे बनाने होते हैं. It was very, very kind of him. But there came a point where I realized that I realized how corporate certain societies are and how structured they are in that they don't allow their members to interact with one another on a personal level. Like आप बेशक जितना मर्जी कह लो कि हमने personal level पे GBM करानी है, social friends बनाने, ये करना है वो करना है. At the end of the day, everything is professional in certain societies, in bigger societies. And Radio Lums then started to sort of fade, especially in freshman year, because बाकी इतना काम था और दोस्तियाँ हो रही थी और दोस्तियाँ टूट रही थी और इतना कुछ होता है freshman year के अंदर. PDC नहीं पता था कहाँ पर है. So it was an insane roller coaster. और उसके towards the end of that, the second semester, I started dedicating more time to Radio Lums. And that was when हमने music team create की थी. I just showed up one day in the radio room. यहाँ पे बैठे थे, कैस था, Hassan tha. Hassan is in Canada now because he left LUMS. Qasim tha, and it was just the 4 of us. And we're like, you know what? We're undertaking this huge project जहाँ पर हमने Spotify का code लेना है, उसे integrate करना है. किसी को हम लाए हुए थे integration के लिए. And that's actually how I became friends with these 3 people. और इस तरह होता था कि हम हर हफ्ते मिलते थे. And हर हफ्ते I just had something to look forward to because we were a very fun bunch. Like in the sense that everybody aside from me and Kes was very very reserved. And लेकिन जब वो खुलते थे तो वो जो खुलते थे और हम लोग हर दफ़ा यहाँ पे मिलने के बाद खोका पे जाते थे, चाय पीते थे. And it was genuinely when everything was up in the air in freshman year, जिस तरह सबके साथ होता है, you could always come back and know that like हफ्ते के end में एक meeting है where people, you know, people who understand you, like you and that you have fun with वहाँ पर होंगे. तो it's okay. And उसके बाद I got promoted to assistant director for HR and Jawad was my director and तब हमने काफ़ी fun किया था because we finally created an HR department. We finally created a department that changed the sort of social fabric of Radio Lums and the way that people were interacting with one another. And उसके बाद I think जो main चीज़ थी in my radio journey at least was making the jump from assistant director to executive council. क्योंकि director तो मैंने skip भी कर दिया था because from my sophomore to my junior year के अंदर I was in the executive council. And I don't think मैंने उस वक्त कुछ सोचा था कि ये हो जाएगा because I just assumed कि you know you have to follow a hierarchy. But again मुश्किल चीज़ें करना पसंद है तो I applied. एंड जो ड्रिलिंग इंटरव्यू केस वगैरह ने दिया, जवाद तो आया था और जवाद को कहा गया कि आई अज्यूम कि आप ही हो.
No, मेरा that was my first radio interview. It was such a humbling experience.
अच्छा,
मैं
मेरा
बहुत गिरिल हुआ
humbling
था. मैं तो बहुत गिरिल हुआ था. लाइक मैंने जैसे इंटरव्यू किया था एंड नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू यूसरा का था एंड यूसरा वाज लाइक कैसा इंटरव्यू. मैंने कहा यार बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत लिया.
अच्छा मुझे तो सिर्फ रहेगा कि अच्छा ठीक है कर तो लिया आपने लेकिन और भी कर सकती थी, क्यों नहीं किया?
They asked me the same
The
question.
same
I was
thing.
like, there were no resources. I
Like-
couldn't do anything.
Like-
And I was an assistant director, so I didn't even have
I
the
applied
authority
for
to do
VP.
anything.
I applied for VP marketing. Na, so it was kind of a very creative job. Like you have
Yeah.
to do editing and all that
Yeah,
stuff. So मेरे से पहले was Salman was doing this thing and then उससे पहले Saud.
Yeah.
So they just told me कि Salman can do After Effects. Salman can do Premiere Pro. He has such a great portfolio. Then Saud, all the complete Radio Lums ka Instagram and then YouTube is portfolio of Saud. What do you have in? And then I just show them the reels that I made for another society of like one of the biggest writers. I was director media था. Then तो मैंने reel देखा, उन्होंने कहा यार ये तो like you know that we do a professional production wala work, then this is just some reels. So मैंने कहा if I'm being able to put into the situation, I will learn. I'm a quick learner. I can learn things easily. Like last year I didn't do design और वो एक साल के अंदर when design department दूसरी साइड में मेरे ऊपर ठोपा गया कि like you पहले I applied for media and then they merged the design department with that as well. तो मुझे designing आती नहीं थी but eventually I learned designing
वही
like,
थी मैं आपके साथ.
all year. तो then मैंने कहा कि I can learn this stuff and I know कि like radio needs me like in whatever capacity. Doesn't matter if I get promoted or not. Like दूसरी society की position में already forgo कर चुका था कि I'm not applying for that. So radio is the only option. मैंने कहा just in case if I don't get into EC, I can become a director again. अगर आपने मुझे वो भी नहीं रखना तो I can become an honorary member again because like this is like one of the things that I look forward in my Lums life. So I think they like this and then they made me the VP marketing.
क्या बात है. Very
I think
very
it looks really
conversation.
good on the CV as well because
Yeah.
all the jobs I'm applying for right now are marketing centric.
Right.
Like I want to do branding, marketing stuff. If any of the hiring managers is seeing this podcast, please hire me. I'm a fresh graduate from SDSB. I have taken a lot of courses, self branding. So
No, but तुम्हें पता है जब when I came into VP corporate relations, I didn't know a thing about how our money is managed.
Yeah.
Because हम HR थे, हमने ये कभी किया ही नहीं
but
था.
I did everything.
हमारे पास money था नहीं.
I did
idea.
being an HR director. I used to come to the shoot वाला. मुझे याद है मैं फंकार का पाकिस्तान के शूट में आता था. Tani used to do the show. मैं शूट में आता था. I did media. I used to make the reel आपकी like इफ्तारी की reels और वो सारी reel मैंने PND का भी काम किया. I did some of the design works. Content का वो सब मैंने सच नहीं किया because I was not into hosting वगैरह. But I did propose show office hours at Lums का idea वगैरह. And then I went to मैम फरखंदा. मेरी मैम फरखंदा से ही बनना शुरू हो गई थी. I did वो एक्सटर्नलेशन वाला काम. I wrote proposal for that. मैं sponsors को भी reach out करता था. तो before being an director HR, it's kind of like when you're working in a small society, it's kind of like working in a startup.
You do everything.
Yeah, it's a startup. You do everything.
Everybody's doing
Like
everything.
I was in the bigger society. I can't say the name. तो that was like a more structured. तो उसमें you were in this one
Yeah.
department, you used to do the work for
वही
that
काम करना
specific
है.
department.
Yep.
But here I'm doing everything. So it's
Yeah.
kind of like a
I think
really good
actually
experience.
this year has been instrumental for radio because
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने actually work divide किया
Yeah.
जिस
Yeah.
तरह होना
we've
चाहिए.
never done
Yeah.
that before.
Yeah, because
There are a lot
we
of restructuring.
Yeah,
and-
Restructuring.
restructuring. We focused a lot on team building
Yeah,
from the
yeah.
very
Yeah.
start कि हमें एक अच्छी टीम हो
Yeah.
जिसको हम पीछे जाके like जिसको छोड़ के जाएं पीछे.
Yes.
Like,
हाँ.
those people
Yeah.
हमने
can
बड़ा
continue.
प्यार से टीम को ग्रो किया. हमने
I
उनको
think
फ्री
we were
शर्ट्स
very
दी थी.
successful in the
हमने
sort of
शर्ट्स दी,
people
हमने
we
उनको
chose.
फ्री
दो दफा
बर्गर्स दिए, 2 दफ़ा शर्ट
खिलाया
दिया,
है,
मुफ्त
बहुत
खाना खिलाया.
ज़्यादा.
लाइक हमने पूरी कोशिश की.
बड़ा
थोड़ा सा
अपनी-
ज़्यादा लीवे दे
I
दिए
think हम
उन्हें.
अपनी तारीफ खुद कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं वो क्या सोच रहे हैं.
नहीं.
But no, I think we have gone through like a lot of development as a
Yeah.
whole. हमारी अपनी भी बहुत डेवलपमेंट हुई है, लेकिन सोसाइटी की एज
As
बहुत
right,
डेवलपमेंट हुई है. बट बहुत नॉस्टैल्जिक कॉन्वर्सेशंस होगी, अब मैं थोड़ी सैड हो जाऊंगी. लेकिन आई थिंक लेट्स रैप इट अप विद सम फन क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इफ रेडियो लम्स हैड अ मूवी अबाउट इट, what would the name be? Either the name, yeah, what scene from our time at Radio Lums do you think has to be part of that movie? You wanna go
Tough
first?
question.
The orientation of this year,
Oh,
I think that would be
100%.
like
Shahid
like वो
Jaffri.
climax होगा.
100%.
You know, like the build up
The
to it.
build
up.
The जवाद
Ending
saying
scene.
तो 12 घंटे पहले भी नहीं होगा. मुझे लगता है
नहीं,
लोग नहीं
like,
आएंगे. 2 घंटे पहले भी लोग नहीं
My
आएंगे. लोग
roommate
नहीं
knows
आएंगे.
that कि
Whose
मेरा जो
loves
पूरा वीक
literally
था ना, I was
yeah.
really depressing. मैं लिटरली रोज रात को रूम में जाता था लाइक काम वाम करके
Yeah.
एंड मैं लाइक लाइट्स ऑफ करता था एंड देन अपने रूममेट को कहता था कि यार हमने B3 ले लिया है, भरेगा भरेगा
And
भरेगा.
I knew भरेगा.
अरे मैं
I
अच्छा
knew.
ड्यूरिंग द
We did
ओरिएंटेशन
not even
7
know guest कौन होगा.
हाँ,
मुझे
सात
पता था.
7 बजे ओरिएंटेशन है, लेकिन मेरा रूममेट 6:30 बजे आके बैठा हुआ था उसको.
Oh, that is so hard.
And-
So many of my friends showed
That
up.
is
Like
so
so many
sweet.
people I haven't talked to in a very long time
That
showed
is
up. They
Yeah.
were like,
so sweet.
जाना है.
like
That is
kind
so,
of,
so
of like my best memory from Radio Lums will be कि like it was the orientation day
Yeah,
and
100%.
पिछले 2 सालों से ना मैं like काफ़ी अपने even close friends से and काफ़ी लोगों से सुनता आया था कि I don't know what मेरे बैच में I think in the currently in the sophomore batch and freshman batch radio की बहुत hype है, but in my batch
हाँ,
in
नहीं
our
थी,
batch radio
नहीं
was
थी,
nothing.
nothing.
हम दोनों के अलावा कोई लोग जानते नहीं
I
रेडियो
don't think,
रेडियो
हाँ.
like if in SGSB if anyone knows radio तो उसके लिए सिनोनियम है कि जवाद
Yeah,
रेडियो एंड
literally.
जवाद.
Yeah.
I think हमने वो अपने literally
अपनी
अपना
personality को-
personality
personality को
बना ली
radio
थी.
बना लिया.
मुझे पता है कि I used to be in the law school reading room और हर कोई आता जाता पूछ रहा है, I'd be like radio radio radio. और फिर एक टाइम पे everyone that would come, how's radio going. तो मेरा ख्याल है अगर वो word of mouth situation हुई है इस
Yeah.
society के साथ कि अगर आपको पता लगा इस society के बारे में तो it's been through like the society
Yeah.
members and us. तो हमारी development उस तरह से
So,
यहाँ से बहुत हुई है.
My favorite memory was कि like induction orientation हो रही है and one of my friend came to me, उसने कहा good job जवाद and that was the moment I was like यार कुछ किया है कुछ किया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह by the grace of Almighty अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह like God has been really kind.
Yeah.
तो कुछ किया and that was the moment that like kind of
No,
pushed
we have
me
to
towards
attach pictures because अगर कोई
Yeah.
non-lums देख रहा है, they're going to think ये पागल हो
the
गया.
orientation
Like amazing.
for a society with
Yeah.
just 22 people in the
Yeah.
directorate
Yeah.
pulling off an orientation.
Smallest directorate compared to
smallest
Yeah.
directorate compared to other.
Yeah.
Like हम 300 plus guests.
हाँ,
300 plus
No,
auditorium
even the
बड़ा था.
auditorium लोग खड़े हुए थे इनके
हम
ऊपर
लाइक
पीछे.
हम इस रूम से सीधा ऑडिटोरियम में गए 6:30 बजे एंड जितने मैंने लोग एक्सपेक्ट किए थे ना उतने ऑलरेडी बैठे हुए थे एंड मैं जोहा को कह रहा हूँ कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. नवाल वाजंट हियर बट दैट मोमेंट मैं जोहा को कह रहा हूँ कि यार ये इतने लोग तो हमने एक्सपेक्ट किए थे, ये तो अभी से ही आ गए, अभी तो आधा घंटा रहता
I
है.
remember I came like थोड़ा मैं लेट आई थी because I was running उस वक्त to get those वो gift hampers जो
Yeah.
हमें देने होते हैं guests को. तो I was doing that entire thing with CCA
CCA
और
and
मैं
then you were
super
getting
store,
approved.
हाँ. और
मैम
मैं सब
फरकंदा
कुछ,
approve नहीं
हाँ,
करी थी.
मैं फिर आके यहाँ पे शीट बना रही हूँ. मैंने कहा जवाद ये कैसे करना है बताओ मुझे. तो I was doing that. तो I reached late ऑडिटोरियम में और मैं एंटर हुई हूँ and I was like Did I enter the wrong auditorium? मेरे साथ literally ये होता. I was like, what is happening? इतना वो एक intense excite, पता नहीं, there was just this weird
Excitement,
environment.
yeah.
अजीब ही
बस
था,
बहुत
मतलब
अजीब था. It was
Yeah.
like
Unreal.
unreal. It was literally.
I mean like बाकी सोसाइटीज कह रही हूँ क्या है 300 की ओरिएंटेशन करके इतना शौके हो रहे हैं like
But
for a society
For such a small society, हमें गेस्ट नहीं हमारे आने दे रहे हैं. गेस्ट्स के ऊपर बहस हो रही है. बातें ये हो रही हैं कि why are you inviting a musician even though we're like radio society और like रेडियो के ऊपर लोग क्या सुनते हैं म्यूजिक,
Yeah.
इस तरह की बातें हो रही हैं टू द लाइक एक दिन पहले तक भी रात को 8 बजे तक we're sitting in CC office trying to get
मिन्नत कर रहे हैं।
approvals, like trying to get approvals for something that should have been approved like a very long time ago, but जो भी
ये कैंसिल कर देना
नहीं, मैं
प्लीज।
ये नहीं कैंसिल करना, डालना है CC को मैंने करना है नहीं, बट इन एनी केस लाइक उसके बाद जो हमारी पोस्ट इवेंट टॉक हुई थी here where we could see like the proud moment, one of the things we did was make an events department and then
Event
seeing
heads.
event heads जो हमने देखे कि उनकी जो शक्लों के ऊपर खुशी थी and you know satisfaction थी कि okay we were able to pull this
I
off,
think
and the team spirit उस टाइम नजर आई
उस
है। I
वक्त
think it was unparalleled।
मुझे रेडियो के कुछ लोग खुद ही कहते थे कि यार जवाद शाबिर जाफरी को देखने कौन आएगा।
Yeah.
I remember everyone was asking me रेडियो की ओरिएंटेशन पे कौन आ रहा है, and I'd be like Shavir Jafri, and they would give me like such a straight
Yeah.
face,
कि
और फिर
Shavir
I saw
Jafri-
those exact same people in the auditorium, I was like
No,
really?
but I was actually very, very concerned because I wasn't here,
Yeah.
and पूरी orientation got flipped on its head.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जब तक मैं गई थी तब तक एक प्लान था, ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
दूसरा
और मैंने
guest आ रहे
एक
थे।
दिन
दूसरा guest
खोला
आ रहे थे।
WhatsApp ग्रुप और सब कुछ बदल गया। मैंने कहा like I actually my breath caught in my throat. I was like ये कैसे होगा, ये कौन करेगा, because I was like मैं तो हूँ नहीं वहाँ पर, who is going to manage this? And then when I saw the conversation after it, हाँ तो it got completely flipped on its head, and but the next day जब हो गई orientation, I opened the EC group chat और वहाँ पर इतने positive messages जो शायद ही मैंने कभी देखे हों जिंदगी के अंदर। I was like मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया, मैंने कहा हुआ क्या है, हुआ क्या है, हुआ क्या है? And then the only response I got was a picture I think of the auditorium या फिर GB group पे मेरा ख्याल है थी, and I could not believe it because obviously the way that I left things, we had a small orientation plan, auditorium छोटा था, and then when I saw that I genuinely could not believe it. It was insane the way that it was pulled off.
I remember saying कि वो A3 auditorium कर लेते 70 people वाला,
exactly.
We signed up for A3
हाँ.
auditorium, रात 2 दिन पहले B3 करवाया है, हमें सॉफ्ट्स बता रहे ओ पूरे बैच की तो क्विजेज हो रहे हैं, कोई नहीं आएगा।
हाँ
And
कोई
then-
नहीं आएगा, क्विज की वजह से हमें डिले करनी पड़ी है,
Yeah.
दूसरी सोसाइटीज की हो रही है, and then too much
But it
pressure.
was it's I think हमारे लिए शायद लोग जो देख रहे हो करे वो अच्छा, ये तो सच्ची में पागल हो गए हैं, बट जैसे जोहा वाज सेइंग कि क्लाइमैक्स होता है मूवी का कि आप एक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू एवर सी लाइक अ ऑटोबायोग्राफी और समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो उसमें हमेशा यही होता है कि वो इतने सालों से स्ट्रगल कर रहा है एंड देन एट द एंड इट्स लाइक समथिंग रियली सक्सेसफुल लाइक दिस। या तो हमारे लिए भी यही है कि रेडियो हैज़ बिन इतनी दफ़ा बनी, ख़त्म हुई, फिर रिक्रिएट हुई, फिर एक साल चली, अच्छी चली, देन हमारे साल में इट वाज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ आवर वो
I think another thing which is like a good indicator of success is like the growth of the media department, honestly.
Yeah.
When I took over this department, like I hired a team, like outsiders, some externals लिए, and then literally orientation तक everything was going kind of on and off. I was doing a lot of like मैं सारा पीछे handle कर रहा था, तो director left, one of the directors left, then एक एक करके सारे ADs जाते गए, and then only one director left, and हम सोच रहे हैं कि क्या कैसे चलेगा, but right now after 2 semesters if I see the media department is getting crazy. Like one can't imagine, मतलब मैं on my own I can't imagine कि मैं like एक रात में 2 podcasts मैं edit भी कर लूँ, मैं shoot भी कर लूँ, मैं उसके 4 teaser भी बना दूँ। So a huge shout out to Mariam, Hafsa, and then our new addition Manam and their team, like amazing. Like that was like a peak of media, like for a department जो मैं 3 साल से देख रहा हूँ कि all the burden was always on the VP marketing, but getting a team like them, like it was a huge relief.
और
मतलब
last
मुझे
year में
सोचना
our
भी नहीं
social
पड़ता।
media presence also improved
Yeah,
बहुत
social media,
ज़्यादा, because
like
P&D
amazing work, like the way they have handled the social media, like crazy reels and like design, cool design. We have like amazing merchandise. हमारी literally everyone on campus will like कि radio की graphic tee, radio
Everybody
की
wanted our
varsity
jackets,
jacket.
by the
तो
way. I had so many friends
Yeah.
come up to me and be like, कहाँ से मिल रही हैं? I was like, and Jawad even pitched the idea to me कि हम इन्हें
मैंने
retail
बेचते
में करते
हैं।
हैं।
I think office hours at Lumsby, I have like
I think we
like
were
I did,
shows, yeah.
but the problem is कि I want to invite some of the professors, but उन्होंने कहा कि they don't want to do like
Yeah.
they don't want to come into the publicity, but they are like one of the most famous professors at Lums, but वही they don't want to like come into the social media और अपनी privacy disturb
Of
नहीं करना
course,
चाहते।
that's completely
But
understandable.
I'm glad we had like some good instructors. Like the first episode we did with Raja Usman Khan, Professor Raja Rab Nawaz is like one of the nicest professor, one of like the the nicest overall welcoming professor you will ever get. He's like he's a very new professor. He's an adjunct faculty, but one of the most welcoming
जवाब को एक अलग
professors.
एपिसोड देनी चाहिए.
Huh?
Last words?
Lums journey.
Last words. I think last words.
Okay.
Let's wrap it up.
I think I want to thank everybody at radio. I want to thank what the society was, especially for people who felt like they didn't have a place elsewhere, and the space that it became for everybody who was looking for warmth, looking for community. And I just hope that anybody who comes after us, they can create the same space, especially for team members, because directorate तो आपका होता रहता है, आता जाता रहता है, और वो अपनी bonding कर लेते हैं. But I feel like for the team members, for the new freshmen who are coming in, it's incredibly important for Radio Lums to become that space for them.
Okay, so I would say here, for the whole year, we as an EC tried to build a community that we wish we had when we were freshmen, when we were sophomores, like as a welcoming experience. So वो मुझे एक तरह से regret भी होता है when I see all these department interacting, like उनका काफ़ी like बड़ा मज़े का freshman experience हो रहा है sophomore. I was like यार हमारा भी काश ऐसा होता, but we're happy that we are providing them this experience. And my final word will be like यार Radio Lums has given me like a platform, an opportunity overall to grow, and I made like really good friends. I think like starting from Saud, and then list never
Goes
goes.
on
Like
and on.
I'm gonna name everyone like Saud, Cass, Salman, Tanir, Aisha, and then newer ones Nawal, Yusra, Zoha, and then Manur, Mariam. उस सईद का मैं नाम इसलिए नहीं ले रहा क्योंकि वो आई नो हिम बिफोर दैट इज माय मूवी किड, तो मैं इसलिए नाम नहीं ले रहा.
But
देन नो नो
इसके बारे में बात तो नहीं की हमने, करनी चाहिए थी.
and then all the people who made the overall radio experience unforgettable. Thank you so much.
Hello, your turn. I'll wrap it up.
अच्छा सही है.
Sir Athir ko bhi thank you.
Yeah, Sir Athar,
Yeah.
he's been like
Light
the most
of radio,
welcoming, like he's
genuine.
like
सर का dinner
the amazing
Sir,
person,
Sir,
like
हमने बहुत
always
thank
smiling, like literally अगर
Radio
आपको
room comforting
comforting
वजह
उन्हें
से
नहीं
है,
बनाया
सिर्फ
literally
उनकी वजह
like
से है,
literally.
there's no other reason.
You can just come here and like talk to him
Sugar
on
लगाओ.
sugar लगाओ उनके साथ घंटा बात करो. Is like always welcoming.
I would say that I'm really grateful to the team we have today, but also the teams that came before us and that gave us the foundation जिसके ऊपर we've been able to build this year. Like it brings me extreme pleasure कि 2-3 दिन पहले one of my friends was like यार in the last year under your presidency I've seen radio grow extremely well, and I could not take the credit for it. Like I don't want to, because मुझे पता है कि मेरे देखा है अपनी टीम को काम करते हुए. So one word of advice for everyone would be, especially for students at LUMS, for students who are coming to LUMS, university students वगैरह, if you don't have a physical ailment, all of your battles are in your head. And like you can fight those. Like you're bigger than that. Like मुझे पता है कि मेरी सबसे बड़ी battle थी the fact that I don't want to talk to people, and I've been able to overcome that by talking to people. So give yourself exposure therapy, give your brain exposure therapy, and like अपने दिमाग के साथ जो लड़ाई है ना उसको लड़ो पहले, and then your life would be great.
मैं यही कहूँगी कि ये कमरा और इससे जुड़ा हुआ हर इंसान इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. और इन 2 सालों में मैंने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है विद इन रेडियो लम्स हैज़ जस्ट बिन फिनोमिनल. मैं बहुत आई नो हम सब ने वो एक बहुत पर्सनालिटी चीज़ बना ली है रेडियो लम्स के लिए, बट एक आउटसाइडर को कभी समझ आएगी नहीं कि वाई वी मेक आवर एंटायर पर्सनालिटी रेडियो लम्स, बिकॉज हमने सिर्फ इसे नहीं देखा है ग्रो करते हुए, हमने अपनी भी ग्रोथ इसके साथ देखी है. मैं जब 2 साल पिछली या जब मैंने फ्रेशमैन ईयर में ज्वाइन किया था, मैं उस युसरा को देखती हूँ एंड आई कंपेयर हर सेल्फ टू मी राइट नाउ, तो मैं आई एम जस्ट इन शॉक, बिकॉज कभी कभी आप अपने आप को बहुत प्रेशराइज करते हो एंड यू जस्ट बीट योर सेल्फ अप फॉर नो रीज़न कि आप बैच टॉपर क्यों नहीं हो, आप यू नो वाई यू नॉट गेटिंग द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट इंटर्नशिप्स, वाई यू नॉट डूइंग गुड. बट अगेन इट जस्ट कम्स डाउन टू द फैक्ट कि आप ये देखो कि आपने अपने पिछले how much have you really progressed in terms of your past self. And I think all of us can really say that Radio Lums has been that safe place for us, that has contributed to our development a lot. So this has been my safe place for the last 2 years, but I don't know what next year will look like, considering that I'm still in LUMS, lekin I'm just an honorary member and I will not have this leadership position anymore. But it has been a wild journey, but a good journey. And you had
I just want to take 1 minute. I just have some advice in my mind. A professor told me, why do you want to be perfect? Like, do you know anyone is perfect? And then we say that nobody's perfect. Do you know anyone is perfect? We say nobody's perfect. And then he said, why do you want to be nobody? Be somebody. So that's like be somebody. And you have to be delusional in your dreams and just trust the process. And the last piece of advice will be like, it's not that deep.
It's not that
It's never
It's not that deep.
It's never
We
that
talked
deep.
about it for 2 hours, but it's so
It's
not
not
that
deep.
deep.
It's not that deep.
Also, be interesting. Like, have something to
Have
talk
something.
about.
Talk
about.
Don't
Outside
ChatGPT
of your academics.
personality.
Yeah.
Do something that you know you
Inspires
will,
you.
Yeah, inspires
Yeah.
you, makes you want to wake up
Yeah.
every day, do something, make it your personality. Because
Yeah.
but it should be outside of your academics. Don't make your career your entire personality. Do something fun. Do something chaotic.
Yeah.
Change the world.
Carpe
हमने नहीं
diem.
किया है अभी तक
Carpe
लेकिन
diem,
कर
seize the
सकते
day.
Carpe diem, seize the day.
हम बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे हैं.
I feel like if in the freshman year I was stuck in my academics.
Yeah.
So मैं 4 साल like I will graduated with an average GPA but with no personality. So
Yeah.
at that time I decided to put
100%.
myself
Decide
out.
to put yourself first.
So
Yeah.
just do something.
Don't mentally handicap yourself.
That never. Yeah.
Because मैंने एक चीज़ यही देखी है, मुझे किसी ने ये बोला था और I remember I was sitting in front of them, we were just talking, और जब उन्होंने ये मुझे बात बोली, I had goosebumps and they said, why do you underestimate yourself so much? And that made me realize कि it literally is just a moment of courage. Once you take that step, everything feels so much easier. Raising your hand to do CP in class, मैं sophomore year में इतना hesitate करती थी. Now I'm just saying stuff, लेकिन मैं मतलब confidence वो आ गया है, build हो जाता है. So just do what you want to do, be unapologetically you, and keep watching Radio Lums.
Yeah.
Because
Please keep watching
Yeah.
Radio
I
Lums.
think you will learn a lot
If
from.
you are still stuck till the end, please drop a comment.
Please drop a comment.
that.
Yes, show some weird emoji ताकि हमें
Yeah.
पता लगे you're very loyal and you liked the episode.
Yeah.
But thank you very much
Thank
for tuning in.
you.
This has been very fun, very overwhelming, very
Overwhelming.
nostalgic, very emotional. लेकिन apologies to the 2 people that have been stuck with us.
Honestly, a huge shout out to Saratha and
Yeah.
our amazing media AD Hafsa.
Hafsa.
Hafsa. But this is for Radio Lums. Shukriya, Allah Hafiz, and until next time.